How to fix Booking.com payment not working. To fix a Booking.com payment not working, first of all, check for 3D Secure or SCA verification on your mobile banking application or switch your checkout method to PayPal. And what you want to do is, first of all, fix bank and card declines. Authorize the international transactions. Also, complete the strong customer authentication and avoid transaction frequency limits. And if you want to bypass the browser and app glitches, you simply have to clear your application's cache. Locate the icon from your app drawer, access the app info. Head to Storage option, proceed to clear the cache to remove the unwanted and corrupted files within the applications. And also make sure that you turn off your VPN. And this is how you can fix Booking.com payment not working. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.